Hi everybody, this is Beth McCullough and I blog at stampingmom.com. I usually am here doing Facebook Lives every Wednesday at noon Central Time. And today I'm here on Thursday instead. I wasn't feeling well yesterday, so I put it off a day. Here is what I'm making today. I love this. I've made a lot of Reese's peanut butter egg boxes in the past. So I decided it's time for a Reese's peanut butter heart box. It's just this standard size heart. On this one, I didn't want the flaps to show, so I just taped them back, and it just slips right inside. Isn't this darling? Don't tell Steve. I call him #TryGuy, but this one is for him. I love our life together. So cute. Here's another one that I made. I just put the pretty paper, the designer series paper, up here and down here. And then these are the doilies Stampin' Up! Is selling right now. The other side is white, and I just stamped on that. And it has this ribbon. You can see I did a different ribbon, different DSP on each. But I'm going to show you how to make these today. It is super simple. So here's my template. I might have to put this all the way up here on Stamping Mom. Can you see that at the top? This is for the full-size Reese's treat box. Hello, Linda Lace. I'm surprising you on Thursday. You need a piece of cardstock that's 3.5 inches by 9 inches. And then you're going to score it across this way at 1 3/4, 2.5, 4 1/4, and 5 inches. I went ahead and did that ahead of time with this Flirty Flamingo piece of cardstock. You can see my score lines. Then down here at the bottom, you need a piece of designer series paper that measures 2 inches by 3 1/4. Hopefully that's on the screen. Then I took a 3/4 inch punch and I punched through both layers, the DSP and the cardstock. Now, if you're using a DSP like this one, the hearts need to be upside down. So this, you're actually folding the box together this way and then turning it around. So make sure if you do a DSP that has direction, they go upside down. And then this tear and tape on the other side goes right here, right along the score line of the top score. So I'm going to go ahead and take this tear and tape off and show you. After you've done all the score lines, you literally just fold it forward. See how that goes? And it doesn't have side pieces. It just makes a little box for your Reese's heart. And then for the ribbon, you can see I've done it 3 different ways. On this middle one, I used the polka dot tulle ribbon. It's super pretty and easy to work with. On this one, I used the Whisper White flax ribbon on here, and then I wrapped it around with the Real Red double stitch satin ribbon. This is really easy to work with too. And then on this, I also used the double stitch satin ribbon and just tied a bow. So just be creative and tie the bow however you want. And then I'll show you how I did these hearts. First, I took the heart punch that is in the spring mini catalog. And I use my punch upside down and just line it up so this pretty foil paper is showing for the heart. And then for this, I went ahead of time and I stamped with the Real Red ink pad. Happy Valentine's Day. And then I'm just going to line this up with the scalloped heart. And then I'm going to do one more of the scallop hearts so I have a border for the other one. So here's my second scalloped hearts. I'm guessing this heart and scallop punch will go on into the annual catalog. They're so useful, and who doesn't need heart punches? So I'm going to take this pretty paper. I'll move up so you can see what I'm doing. And the directions, the measurements will all be on my blog tomorrow morning. It's a festive Friday day, the challenge that I'm a designer for, and that project is due tomorrow morning. Okay, then I'm going to take this, and I just want it to look cute. I'm going to let it hang over the side of the box, and I want the Happy Valentine's Day on top. So I'm going to take 3 Stampin' Dimensionals. And take off the backing. And then for this heart, I'm going to put it on just flat on the box. And again, I want it a little crooked and a little falling off the box. And then this one that's up on dimensionals, I'm going to have that layer a little bit over that with the Happy Valentine's Day. And I can take my Reese's heart and slip this right in. Who wouldn't love to receive this as a cute little Valentine's gift? So here's my 3 boxes, done 3 different ways, but so simple. You could make a dozen of these over the weekend and hand them out for Valentine's Day. So I'll take a picture of the template and put the directions on my blog tomorrow morning. I'm at stampingmom.com, and I usually do my lives Wednesday at noon Central Time. Does anyone have any questions? You can leave them below in the comments and I'll get them answered. Thank you so much, Veronica. I appreciate it. Have a blessed day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.